Hi, I'm Dan with Cali Raised, and today we're going to show you how to install the exterior Molle panel on the 2025 and up Toyota 4Runner. Before we get started, we're going to go over the tools and hardware you'll need for this install. You're going to need 8 5/16 3/4 inch long bolts, 8 5/16 washers, 2 M6 hex nuts, 2 M6 lock nuts, 2 M6 washers, and 2 M6 studded suction cups, a 3/16 Allen wrench, a 5/32 Allen wrench, a 10mm box end wrench, a 10mm socket with a ratcheting wrench. For the first steps of this install, we're going to go ahead and remove 6 of the bolts that are holding onto the roof rack. You've got 2 for the rear, 2 for this cross member, and then 2 more for here. Be sure to put some form of foam or pool noodle to keep your rack from scratching your vehicle when you're doing this. We're going to start assembling our Molle panel kit, and you're going to start with the Molle panel itself, the mounting bracket, and 2 support gussets. To install the suction cup, we're going to start by using the regular hex nut and thread it all the way down. We'll repeat that for the second suction cup. Next, we're going to be placing the suction cups on the back side of the panel in this location and right here. Next, we're going to be placing the M6 washer and the lock nut on top, and we'll do the same thing for the other suction cup. Next, we're going to tighten down the lock nut on the front side. You're going to use your 10mm wrench on the back, and then use your 10mm socket on the front. This is what it should look like. Next, we're going to install this Molle bracket onto the roof rack side rail. Next, we're going to be using 4 of the 5/16 bolts to mount the Molle panel on the center 4 bolt holes. Next, we're going to install these gussets on the back side of the Molle panel. We're going to do the same thing on the front side. Next, we're going to go ahead and tighten down all the bolts from rear to front, front to rear, doesn't matter. If you're having a hard time getting the suction cups to stick, just spray some water on the window and they'll stick just fine. And that's how you install the exterior Molle panel for the 2025 Toyota 4Runner. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, as well as visiting CaliRaisedLED.com to get more products like these.